So I was a normal little boy. I was curious. And in about 1970, I found a Zippo lighter. Yeah. So, being the curious scientific guy I was, I wonder if my pajamas will catch on fire. And I literally lit my pajamas on fire, burst into flames, ran down the hall. My mom put me out, saved my life. I'll forever be grateful. I've never shared this story in public. Sorry, I'm a little emotional. I've got a scar from my hip to my ankle, major surgery, skin graft, all my nerves. And I'm not telling you that to feel sorry for it. It's in this rock star book right here, by the way, this story, right? The point of that is I was in a hospital for 2 months, laying there with my leg all wrapped up and everything. I'm watching these adults and kids hobble around on crutches and wheel themselves in wheelchairs, and I thought, man, is that going to be me? I want to run around and climb trees and ride bikes and play with my sister. I want to be like that. And I remember, 5 years old, I remember seeing one guy, he was wheeling himself away out the door, and I made a decision. I said, I'm not going to be crippled. I'm going to walk again, and look at me. Not a limp, not a nothing. And it wasn't, do they? It was a decision that I made. And God honored that. I did the work, He did the miracle, and here I am. So I fast forward many years, I ran into the same situation with my credit. Hey, I wonder if I do this, will I catch on fire? And as many of you may know, when you max out your credit cards for building business or whatever, your credit score goes down. I found myself looking up at 500 going, one day I'll get there. Okay? And I got there. I got turned down for everything, and I got there. I finally got there, and I said, I'm never going to go back. And I got up to above 750, and at 750, you start getting things in the mail besides collection letters. You start getting offers for credit. So I said, I got to figure out the secret to this and share it. Because I know there's probably, statistics say there's probably 70 or 80% of people out here have some sort of credit issue. What you may not know is that about 80% of you have something on your credit report that isn't yours. Anybody ever have an error on their credit report that screwed their credit? Look around. Okay? And it hurts and it's hard. So I learned how to beat the system and get that stuff off. Last month I helped a lady get 9 things off of her credit report. Whew, she was happy, right? So then I moved into the business side because we're all entrepreneurs, right? Right over there is my booth. Come over, you can see me, you can talk to me. I help businesses get their credit and their finances and their business investment money off of their social security number and onto their business EIN. So you can free up your personal credit for houses and cars and the things that you need for lifestyle. And you can run your business like a business should be run. Businesses take investment, not spending. Right? So that's what we do. And I wrote a book. Hey, how about that? Huh?
Yeah.
Credit Matters. How to improve your credit, get money for your business. You can register to win. So this is the sponsorship tip. You notice I'm holding all kinds of different things up, right? So Scott back there at True Can Science did this for me. Little tarot card, you fill it up, tear it up, put it in the bucket to win, and you get to keep this nice little thing. So my sponsorship tip, be everywhere. Who knows me here? I'm over there. I'm up on top. You can see me. My picture, my name. It's easy. pat.walley.com. Google my name, Pat Walley. Put it into Amazon, Pat Walley. You're going to find me. It's not because I'm vain or I spent a lot of money on SEO. I just learned how to do it organically. I was in the nuclear power field in the Navy, and I learned some things. Okay? Sponsorship. You've got to be everywhere. You've got to be out there. You've got to be friendly. I give free hugs, by the way, over here. He gives free guitars. I got free hugs over here, okay? And be passionate about what you do. I mean, credit isn't really a exciting or sexy thing unless you have good credit, then it's sexy. Okay? So just do me a favor, and if you are struggling, like I lit my pajamas on fire, I caught on fire, I caught my credit on fire, learn from the experts how to undo the mess and get on with your life. You don't need to be shackled with high debt. Take that high interest, turn it to 0%. Who likes 0% interest? Okay, I got a lot of 0% interest, and it's working. I'm here. Right?
You are.
I'm here.
Look at you.
Be everywhere. Time's up. Pat.Walley.
Minister Pat.Walley. My credit score, I'm very proud of my credit score. I'm 820.
Woohoo!